Salmon, tofu, meatballs, even steak. A fryer gives you a smorgasbord of delicious mealtime options. Choose from 3 types: a deep fryer, air fryer, or an oven with frying capabilities. First, deep fryers. Modern deep fryers take that guesswork out of cooking, with precise heat settings and a viewing window to nail that perfect golden finish. Covering food in oil cooks it fast and locks in moisture, particularly important for mouth-watering fried chicken. Feeding a crowd? A 5-litre fryer will whip up fish, chips and fritters for the whole family, and you can reuse the cooking oil to reduce waste. A 2-litre model is perfect for crispy tempura for 2. Look for a model with an anti-odour filter to keep your home smelling fresh. Next, air fryers. If you like your comfort food on the healthier side, this is the kitchen whiz for you. A fan pushes air at high speed in these benchtop convection ovens. The result? Crunchy, deep-fried goodness with less oil. And less oil means less mess. Just wipe over the air fryer and pop the removable tray and basket in the dishwasher. Simple. They're also perfect for reheating leftovers and keeping them crisp. Finally, ovens that fry. It's true. The latest multifunction gas or electric ovens now come with air fryer settings. Simply tap air fry, pop in your favourite frying foods, and wait while the oven's air fryer does the rest. It circulates hot air just as a benchtop air fryer does to provide that satisfying crunch. If you're after an air fryer for bigger meals, this is the way to go. So, what's for dinner? The good guys are here to help. Visit us in-store or online.